Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cuda Education. So today we have tiled light culling. So what we added, a GPU compute pass that divides the screen into 16 by 16 pixel tiles, culls point lights per tile using depth bounds plus screen space projection overlap, and writes compact per tile light index lists. The deferred lighting shader now only evaluates lights assigned to each tile. So uh, we're not going to labor this point too much. It's structurally the same scene that we saw in step 11. Nothing has changed. But things are happening behind the scenes, as you could see here. Compute kernel per tile light list format. We did tinker with this in a previous, series of episodes. The light list, so you could disable certain lights and all that. We have lighting shader change, render pipeline, files involved, and that's pretty much it. So a quick one for this tiled light culling. And yeah, this is basically figuring out which culls point lights per tile using depth bounds plus screen space projection overlap, and writes compact per tile light index lists. Okay, so this is tiled light culling, guys. As promised, as always, we will dive into this deeper at a later date, but we just want to get to step 16 and, have the full thing sorted out. All right, this is Cuda Education. Thank you for watching.